We have two very old, decrepit sheds in the front of our property. Some people call them a knockdown. I call them potential. They're definitely in rough condition, and it's going to be a ton of work to fix them. But if you can look past all the junk and the crumbling structure, it's going to be something beautiful. But for now,
it's a raggedy old shed.
The little history that we know about the sheds is that they're over 70 years old. They were moved from their original location, and one of the sheds was expanded so they could fit their car in. But then, at some point in time, they needed repairs. But the farm and life goes on. And here we are today, left with the history, all the repairs, and the opportunity to continue the shed story and build a new chapter. First, let's take you for a little tour. Lots of old barn fans, hardware, a license plate from 1948. Lots of scrap metal too. That's probably the majority of stuff that's in here. An old wagon. This looks pretty cool too. Maybe reuse that. Completely rotten floor. And it already comes with a beautiful skylight. I see someone's found a home in here already. My future studio! It's always hard to know where to start in a project like this. The best step is to just do the easiest thing. To do anything, I need a path to get in here at least. So let's start there. The most exciting parts about cleaning an old shed like this is what kind of treasures we could find.
Oh my.
You have a pathway.
Oh yeah, there's a skeleton.
Oh, where's that? Oh no! Oh, it still has its whiskers.
No kidding.
Oh no!
Now you'll have to have a burial.
Oh, very
Yes,
nice.
sir.
Yeah.
Scrap metal.
Lots of it.
Lots of scrap metal. That was the stove oil barrel from over in the other barn. So,
Could you give us a little history of the barn?
not really. Just get my father.
Yeah. How long has it been here?
I don't know. No idea. Very, very long time.
Before you came
Oh
in?
yes, yeah. Here's the issue with this barn.
Yeah.
Right here.
What's that?
This stuff here. It's rotten.
Oh, that top plate.
Just I want these electric motors, right?
Yeah, that's a serious frickin' beast, this blower.
Yep. Yeah, there's another one back there too. That's the one that come out. I bought a spare. The other one is right there.
Oh yes.
I think that motor is shot.
Somehow in the chaos of things, you know where exactly everything is.
I know it is.
So can these here fans be reused?
Yes. Yeah, they're all good. They'll all work.
What's the story of the wagon?
That's my woods wagon. I was thinking more we'll get this dug out here a little bit and get the tractor in front end with the paddle forks in. I know the tractor will pick that up lickety split.
Lickety split. We have more visitors. And you can pass.
Wow. What a disaster. It looks like Mommy's greenhouse.
It gets worse before it gets better.
Yeah, don't I know?
Yeah, you see this organizational master?
You spend so much time organizing junk.
It's not my junk.
Wow.
Yeah. You have now a walkway.
I'm scared to walk in here, to be honest.
Yeah, don't all from that half it's rotten.
Oh my gosh.
Mama Cook and Papa Cook just had a tour.
Yeah, I know they were up in the house. What is that?
It's like my old my new cabinet. But you see?
Yeah.
Before you couldn't walk in.
This is great.
Oh, you want to see something yucks McGucks?
No, I don't want to
No.
do that.
Are you ready?
No.
No, please. All right. 3, 2, 1. Right here.
Oh. Oh my god.
I know. We're gonna have a little funeral for it. Come, show me. I know.
The poor thing.
We're gonna have a ceremony for it. Okay? We'll name it and we'll bury it in peace. You're so
Having
sweet.
such a nice day.
I'm sorry. Just maybe these could be filled up again.
Celebs and sage satellites, social debs and high Adelites, masses, lasses, doing the uptown lowdown, where they spend their simoleon just to watch those Creolians skipping, hipping, doing the uptown lowdown.
I make it out.
Could you give me a hand for a sec?
Yes, what's that?
And then lift it in and put this block, and then we should be able. Oh, wait. Oh my gosh.
Well, I guess I was wrong. No, I was wrong. I thought maybe the jump was holding the building up. I guess not.
Oh. Always here with the Woody. What did your dad say?
He said he thinks you're in over your head.
What was this quote?
Your ambitions are here and your problems are here.
My cleaning strategy so far is just dump everything outside and find a spot for it later. Luckily, we have another building, but that already had limited space to begin with, and we pretty much maxed out already.
I say, what a difference from yesterday.
Oh yeah.
Cleaned up pretty good. Still got the carcass?
Yeah. Haven't touched that yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite large.
Yeah, it is actually.
And yeah, I don't think any of the floor is salvageable.
No. Not really looking like it.
No. Soft spots everywhere, I was hoping maybe. Maybe in the center. Solid stuff, I don't know.
You say you found a fine new love. You say that you were through with me. If that's the way you want it, baby,
time to remove
that's the way
all these rotten floors.
Well, you say he'll treat you better, treat you much better than me. If that's the way you want it, baby, that's the way it's gonna be. I work hard every day, bring home all my pay, and even the neighbors know it's a shame.
I left it for the last possible moment, but it's time to deal with Mr. Whiskers.
Still am I watching and waiting for my bluebird, but baby bluebird was
There's the sheds, and I'm thinking just right about here is a good spot.
Searching a rainbow for my bluebird, but baby bluebird was caught in the rain. So I'm yearning for the burning sun, only shadows
I hope you have a nice final
Love
rest.
brings happiness to everyone, but so far it has forgotten me.
I'm like slow motion after that. Gotta pump myself up some way.
No more dead bodies in underneath.
Filled with junk. After cleaning out the shed, I was able to see just what kind of condition it was in. And it's bad. Worse than I thought. And the more I look, the more I see what's wrong and just how difficult it's gonna be to fix. Knock her down and start over. I've heard that a lot. It's pretty obvious that restoring it will be the significantly harder and time-consuming option. But the goals are different. One is to build efficiently, and the other is to preserve the history that we have left. And I want to do that.
Yes, sir.
It's empty.
Yeah, it's empty. Oh God, there's a garage on top of the hill, but in the wintertime they couldn't get up the hill, so they kept the vehicles down here. Now this garage here, this is the one that the truck was in. He had a 36 Dodge truck.
Yeah.
And if you've got pictures of it on your computer.
Yeah.
I would say this is likely a 47 vintage garage.
Yeah.
My God, I moved here in 73. So now, God, that's 27, 30, that's 47 years, and this is a wood roof, so big undertaking.
The sheds have been part of the property and lasted and provided for 3 generations, and I know for certain this would be the shed's last years and they would be another pile in the landfill if not for us. My hope is to fix up the sheds so they could provide for at least another 3 generations after us. And that story, with the history and the unique problem solving it brings, is the more interesting one, and I think the one worth pursuing. Like, and subscribe. Like, and subscribe.
And share!